Hi folks, I hope you all have a great relaxing weekend. I'm having a little fun in the garden as well. Here I brought you the Moringa pods and leaves harvest and trees tour. As you can see here, our both Moringa trees produced a large number of Moringa pods this year. These are 2 years old. If I count the fully developed pods from both trees, there are around 70 pods. That is very great production, you can say. It is 7070. I have started using these very extensively from last couple of months, though I use them often before, because leaves are available year round and it is a superfood. All produce from this tree that are leaves, flowers and pods are edible. Pods are very tasty when we cook them with lentils or cook a curry with tomatoes, in addition to the great nutritional value. Southern California weather is very much suitable for these trees to grow because these are tropical. I am planning to collect seeds from these pods and grow a few more trees to harvest leaves around the year and pods during the late summer. These are easy to grow and manage trees. Since these are medium-sized trees, if we are growing them in the ground, they don't need much additional nutrients to be added. A well-water schedule helps these trees to thrive. This tree is the one growing behind the peach tree. This doesn't have much room, but this grew more pods compared to the big one for that size. Many of you might already know the value of this superfood, especially the moringa leaves. These are extensively cultivated in tropical countries like India. They are making powder to export to other countries. Leaves can be consumed as fresh greens, used in smoothies, or can be dried and used as a powder. I usually prefer to eat them fresh green. Trees are still loaded with flowers and bees still pollinating them because the weather is still hot. These trees like the hot weather and thrive between June and September in California. That is when the weather is very hot. You see the baby moringa pod. So we are harvesting the pods for the first time today. This is the harvest of pods. I also harvested some leaves to add to the lentils I am cooking. I hope you enjoyed our tree's growth and learned good information about moringa tree and produce. Enjoy the rest of the day. As usual, I'll see you next time.